Hey guys, Nick here with the American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Got a beautiful 2006 Harley Davidson Road King Custom with me today. The paint on the bike's called Deep Cobalt. It's a nice dark blue. Being an 06 model, this is the last year for the 88-inch twin cam motor and the 5-speed transmission. This one does have the optional fuel injection. I think those are upgraded floorboards and pedals. Got the matching passenger pegs back there too. Engine guard up front. You already got a set of highway pegs on there. Battery tender pigtail. Put those on all our bikes. It's got a nice 2-up touring seat. Real comfortable. A little backrest kind of built into the seat, lower back support. You can put a driver's backrest on here. You need the bracket that goes down in there. The Road King Custom has got the leather wrapped hard bags. These are in pretty good condition. Got some upgraded slip-on mufflers. Good tire on the rear. The only thing I could find cosmetically is a small little rock chip or a paint chip right there on the rear fender. That was it. It does have the docking hardware down here if you want to put on a backrest for your passenger. It's also one of our certified pre-owned bikes. So we did a multi-point inspection, 15-mile test ride to make sure everything's working properly. And we gave it a professional detail. All the chrome looks real nice. It's got a heel toe shifter. It's got some upgraded grips. Got a nice tall quick release windshield. And you got a little storage pouch behind it as well. This one's got electronic cruise control. Looks like somebody added a little clock right there in the handlebars. Good tire on the front too. This one's got pretty low miles, especially for an 06. I think around 8,327. Hasn't been ridden too much. Motor's super quiet, sounds nice and tight. It's a good running bike. If you'd like to know more about it, you can contact our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151, or you can check out our website at cleanharleys.com and see our full inventory. We offer excellent finance and extended warranty options. Take almost anything in on trade, and we sell and ship bikes all around the world. So it'd be real easy to get this one to you. This is Nick with the American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. The freedom to choose.